photography. Once more I am here to tell you something new in photography. So very first of all, a quote for the day. For me, camera is a sketchbook. For me, camera is a sketchbook, an instrument of intuition and spontaneity. Today, I would like to tell you about digital camera. What is digital camera exactly? Digital camera exactly is that by which there is a photo sensor inside the camera which accesses the light and grab it, and as a result we get our picture. This digital camera is two types. One is fixed lens digital camera, another is changeable lens digital camera. Which is changeable lens digital camera? It is called SLR type, whereas is known as DSLR. DSLR is digital single lens reflex camera. In this type of camera, few advantage is there, whereas you will not find in fixed focus, fixed lens digital camera. First of all, the digital camera which is there in as fixed focus, in that one you cannot change any kind of digital type of camera. You cannot change your exposure because exposure is fixed in this type of camera. When the exposure is fixed, at that time what happens? If you would like to change as you are learning, you won't be able to change the exposure. What is exposure? Exposure is that which is accommodate the light. According to the condition where you are doing photography. Suppose here I am doing photography. Okay, I am feeling that some light is missing this side on my face. So I should put some light from this side. So this side and this side will be balanced. You can do it by using any kind of artificial light. If you are inside the room, you can arrange it outside also, but if there is possibility to arrange it. If there is no possibilities for arrange it, what will you do? You will try to compensate the exposure or the atmosphere, at least for that purpose, how you can get good picture, where the originality will take place and you will able to give something, put something on this by which it will give you good result. Now when you are going to compensate it, there you need some correction. What type of correction? Correction is in this type by which you can get your picture. You can get your picture on this way by which you will able to give some more light on it. How we can do it? We can do it by changing our aperture. We can do it by changing our shutter speed. We can do it by changing our ISO, that is International Standard Organization put in. Inside the camera it is set in such a way that you are able to get it when you will use it. Next, what is there? Next is that when you are combine these all together, then you can get the picture proper. When you are doing photography at that time, you need to get the picture proper. If you are not able to get the picture proper, it is useless for you, is it? So what is requirement in two types of photography you can do? One, you can do by using your simple camera, which is fixed lens digital camera, in which there is no use, but you can use flashlight. But you know, children, that flashlight used to give a documentation. You cannot do creative photography by using that. If you would like to do creative photography, for that either you have to choose a time for doing photography, as well as sunset you would like to take. You need not to bother so much about your camera. In any kind of camera you can do it at late evening, that is near to the sunset, or at the dawn, that is the very early morning, that is when the sun rises. In any of the camera you are using, it can come. But obviously, if you are using a digital camera, whatever result it is going to give, you cannot get in any other kind of camera, because you have that facility. As well as suppose you are clicking a picture in of sunset. At that time, if you would like to give some effect, you can give only when you are going to use it. Exposure in your camera for compensating the light. Is it? I am showing you some picture by which you will be able to understand how you can do it. But you know, whatever possibilities you have.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... Hey, you make me a believer, believer. Hey, you make me down, you make me a believer, believer.
Try to do it, it will help a lot to you, and you are going to get good picture. As soon as you will get good picture, it will motivate you, and you will able to do more good picturization, more good clicking of picture. Okay, you know, children, this photography, when you are doing photography by using digital camera, it is having a great facility. That facility is that when you are clicking a picture, until unless you are deleting it, it will remain same as you have clicked. Moreover it, nowadays you have facility that as soon as you click a picture you will able to view it, where we do not have this facility earlier. And moreover it, children, you can get sharpest image in this one because you do not have to do manual focus. But manual focus is having different kind of facility also, benefits also. When you are doing manual focus, at that time, when you need to get a subject focus, you do focus on that particular part of the object. But when it automatically used to give you focus, at that time what happens, that when you are doing focus in a part of your picture, at that time it used to give that much whole part in proper focus. So at that time what happens? It used to do focus all surround your object. It doesn't give a particular one focus. You can make it by using various software, but you cannot make it direct when you are doing photography. So that is why SLR is the best camera for doing photography. If you have used it, try to know, understand it, and every part, every facility in digital SLR camera. And if you have simple SLR camera, simple digital camera, simple camera, phone camera, you do photography. Only the practice and when you will make it, you will find a very good result in your life. Once you try, whenever you go out, whenever doing seeing something, you try to capture that. It used to give you lot of memories. It will give you lots of fun. It will give you lots of energy. It will give you lots of engagement. It will give you lots of relaxation in your mind. So you try and you will get it. So thank you very much for today, and you must take part in the competition. Every month it takes place. contest.dpsbokaro@gmail.com. You must send your photograph within 25th of every month. Thank you very much. Well done.